Number D, first one, D1. In a relay race, 16 children ran total of 9,600 meter. How many meter did each child run? When you see each child, that means you can use the division. Okay, you can use, or you can say this one is all about the division, because 16 children ran total of 9,600. So every children, so that means you have to share every part of the 9,600 meter. That means you have to divide. So we have to write the statement. 16 children ran a total of 9,600 meter. So 16 children ran 9,600 meter. So each child runs equal to 9,600 divided by 16 meter. Normal division. So if we divide 9,600 by 16, we can say 16 times 6, that is 96. Then we have to put this 0 here, so we cannot divide this 0 by 16, so we have to put a 0 here too. Then we have to put this 0, so we cannot divide this 0 by 16 also, so we have to put extra 0 here. So our answer will be 600 meter. So our first answer is 600 meter. Now number 2, second problem. Second problem is all about a jug contains 1440 milliliter of orange juice. If 12 children share the juice equally, how much does each child receive? A similar type of problem. So a jug contains 1440 milliliter of orange juice. So we can say 12 children share 1440 milliliter. So each child will receive, that is 1440 divided by 12 milliliter. That means we have to divide 1440 by 12, that is 12 1s are 12, so 2 is there, 24, 12 times 2, that is 24. 0, we cannot divide this 0 by 12, so we have to put a 0 here. So I think 120 milliliter of orange juice each child will receive. So our answer will be 120 milliliter. So our answer 120 milliliter. Very easy problem, you know, very easy problem. Now next one, number 3. Number 3 says if crayons are packed in boxes of 16, how many boxes can be made from 4,000 crayons? So each boxes, so I think a box contains 16 crayons. So in a box, we can say in a box there are 16 crayons. So we can say therefore how many boxes can be made from 4,000 crayons? So we have to find out the total number of boxes. So therefore number of boxes equal to, we can say 4,000 divided by 16. So now we have to divide 4,000 by 16. So first we can say 16 times 2, that is 32. And now if we subtract this 32 from 40, we have 8 here. Then we have to put this 0, that means 80. So 5 into 6, that 5 into 60, that is 80. So now we have to put this 0 here. So 0 will be there, because we cannot divide this 0 by 16. It is not possible. For that reason we have to put 250. So 250 boxes. 250 boxes. Okay, 250 boxes will be our answer. So number 3 answer 250 boxes. Now number 4. Number 4 says rupees 5,550 is collected from 15 families whose homes have been damaged by floods. How many money will each family get? So now we have to write out the statements. So rupees 5,500 is collected for 15 families. So 15 families will get 15 families will get rupees 5,550. So what about each family? So each family will get rupees 5,550 divided by 15. So now we have to divide 5,550 by 15. So 3 times 15, that is 45. So now if we subtract this 45 from 55, we have 10 here. Then we have to put this 5 here, 105. Then 15 times 15 times 7, that is 105. Then we have to put this 0 here, so 0 will be there. So I think rupees 370 will be our answer. So each family will get rupees 370. Now last problem of number D. Number 5. Each children are to share the first prize in a national painting contest. If the prize money is rupees 1,000, how much will each child get and how much will left over? Very simple problem. So 11 children will share 11 children will share rupees 1,000. So if the prize money is rupees 1,000, how much each child gets? Therefore each child will get equal to rupees 1,000 divided by 11. Now we have to divide 1,000 divided by 11. So first we can take we cannot take the 2 digit because 10 is not divisible by 11. So we have to take 3 digit. So 100 divided by 11, that means 11 in times 9, that is 99. So now remainder is 1. So we have to put 0 here. We cannot divide this 10 by 11, so we have to put here extra 0 because we are putting a 0 here, but this 0 is not divisible by 11, so we have to put extra 0 in the quotient. So rupees 90, and what is the remainder? Remainder is 10. So each child will get 90 rupees. So each child will get 90 rupees. Each child will get rupees 90, and rupees 10 will be left over. Okay, very simple problem. Now our last question, number 6 of page 24. Number 6 says write dividends in the blanks. So we have already know the formula, that is dividends equal to divisor times quotient. So we can just apply this formula and we can solve all the problem of number E. 1 dash divided by 17 equal to 6. That means we have to multiply 17 times 6. 6 7 ja 42, so there is a 2 here, 4 will be on our hand, 6 on the 6 plus 4, 102. So 102 will be our first answer. Now number 2, that is divided dash divided by 3 equal to 13. So we have to multiply 13 times 3. So that is 39. So 39 will be the answer of number 2. Very simple problem. Now number 3. Dash divided by 18 equal to 4. Now we have to multiply 18 times 4. So what about 18 times 4? 4 8 is 32. So there is a 2 here. 3 will be on our hand. 4 1 is 4 plus 3 72. So 72 will be our answer. Very simple problem, just normal multiplication, and you already solved this type of multiplication on previous pages, from previous pages. So this is not very tough. Dash divided by 4 equal to 12. So we have to multiply 12 times 4. We have already know 12 times 4, that is 48. So 48 will be the answer of number 4. Now number 5. Number 5 says dash divided by 15 equal to 7. That means we have to multiply 15 times 7. So 15 times 7, 7 5 is 35. So 5 is there. 3 will be on our hand. 7 on the 7 plus 3, that is 10. So 105 will be the answer of number 5. Our last problem of this page 24, that is number 6. Dash divided by 6 equal to 11. So that is, we have to multiply 11 times 6. 6 on the 6, 6 on the 6. So 66 will be the answer of number 6. So we have already solved, we have already completed page 24. Thank you very much for watching this, and you will get the full PDF link, full PDF solution at description box. Thank you very much.